dilakukan oleh orang-orang yang sama. Misalnya, kita mendengar ungkapan dalam bahasa Inggris yang artinya dia jatuh.
He fell.
Dan saudara hendaknya bertanya,
What was he doing when he fell?
yang berarti apa yang sedang dilakukannya ketika dia jatuh. Coba beberapa contoh lagi.
She broke the cup.
What was she doing when she broke the cup?
They met Don.
What were they doing when they met Don?
He saw Chris.
What was he doing when he saw Chris?
Saudara pendengar, kita telah cukup banyak berlatih mengajukan pertanyaan, bukan? Nah, sekarang mari kita dengarkan baik-baik percakapan berikut, karena akan disusul dengan beberapa pertanyaan tentang isi percakapan tersebut. Di antara pertanyaan-pertanyaan itu, ada yang mirip dengan pertanyaan yang baru saja kita latih, dan ada pula yang berbentuk lain, seperti yang sudah pernah kita pelajari dulu. Coba dengarkan lagi sebagian dari percakapan antara Iwan dan Helen.
Hello, Helen.
Hi, Ewan. Come in. I'm listening to some new records.
I saw Chris outside.
When?
A few minutes ago. He was walking along the street.
I saw him 20 minutes ago. He was waiting for a bus.
Sekarang, coba jawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan berikut. Dan ulangilah jawaban yang betul sesudah saudara mendengarnya.
What was Chris doing when Ewan saw him? He was walking along the street.
Kalimat tadi menggambarkan kejadian yang berlangsung lama oleh Chris. Sekarang, jawablah pertanyaan tentang suatu kejadian singkat yang dilakukan oleh Helen.
When did Helen see Chris? She saw him 20 minutes ago.
Bagus. Berikut ini kelanjutan dari percakapan antara Iwan dan Helen tadi.
He wasn't waiting for a bus, Helen.
But he was standing at the bus stop.
I know. I saw him when I was crossing the road. He was standing at the bus stop when I saw him. Then a bus arrived. But he didn't get on the bus. He was looking at all the passengers. The bus left. The next bus arrived, and a pretty Italian girl got off and met him.
Ah, Lucia. Yes, I see. He wasn't waiting for a bus. He was waiting for a passenger. Lucia.
Dan sekarang coba jawab beberapa pertanyaan lagi. Pertama-tama, pertanyaan yang perlu dijawab dengan singkat.
Was Chris waiting for a bus?
No, he wasn't.
Was he standing at the bus stop?
Yes, he was.
Dan sekarang, saudara harus memberikan jawaban yang panjang.
What was Ewan doing when he saw Chris? He was crossing the road when he saw Chris. What was Chris doing when Ewan saw him? He was standing at the bus stop when Ewan saw him.
Jadi, Chris sedang menunggu di tempat perhentian bis untuk menemui tetangganya yang cantik, Lucia. Saudara pendengar, sekarang mari kita dengarkan percakapan antara Iwan dan Chris.
Good day, Chris. I saw you yesterday when you were standing at the bus stop.
Bus stop? What bus stop? I wasn't standing at a bus stop yesterday. Oh, yes, that's right. Sorry, I didn't see you, Ewan.
I was crossing the road when I saw you. I waved, but you didn't see me. You were looking down the street.
I'm sorry. I was thinking about something, I suppose.
What were you doing? Were you waiting for a bus?
Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. I was waiting for a bus, but I didn't want to get on the bus. No, I was waiting for a person on the bus. So, I didn't want to get on the bus, but I was waiting at the bus stop.
I know. I saw you when I was crossing the road.
Anyway, what were you doing when you saw me?
I told you. I was crossing the street.
I know that, but where were you going when you saw me?
Oh, I was going to your place.
But I wasn't there. You saw me at the bus stop.
I know, Chris. I saw you at the bus stop. You were standing at the bus stop, and you weren't waiting for a bus. You were waiting for a person on the bus. I know all that.
Well?
Well, I was going to see Helen. We went to the pictures last night. We wanted to go for a walk, but it started to rain. It was raining at 6 o'clock, so we went to the pictures.
Jadi, Chris sedang menunggu salah seorang temannya, Lucia, ketika Iwan melihat dia. Kelihatannya ada sesuatu yang sedang dipikirkan oleh Chris. Apakah gerangan dia sedang memikirkan Lucia? Saudara pendengar, sudah tiba saatnya bagi kami untuk minta diri. Tetapi jangan lupa membaca bagian yang berjudul After the Broadcast dari pelajaran tadi, dan pelajarilah bagian yang berjudul Before the Broadcast dari pelajaran nomor 42. Dan sekarang, goodbye listeners.